In this video, I'll show you how to get unbanned from Twitter. So you have to open a browser and search help.twitter.com. And after that, in the search option, you have to search about suspended account and then search for that. And you have to scroll down and tap on the account suspended and scroll down and tap on how to unsuspend your Twitter account. And here's the way to unsuspend your Twitter account. Scroll down and there's the option file an appeal, and we may able to unsuspend your account. So you have to file an appeal. So tap on the file an appeal option. This will take us to a page appeal an account suspension or locked account. So you have to fill it up and describe your problem and your personal information, your username, your email address, your phone number, and then continue with that. And after continuing with that, the Twitter will contact you or give a feedback to you with the reason to suspending you, and there is a possibility to unsuspend your Twitter account. So here's how you can get unbanned from Twitter.